Alright, what's up everybody? It's Zach Mac back with another video. Oh my bad. But hope everybody is having a good Halloween. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the PS3 HDMI cable fix. It's an easy process, so I'm just gonna get right into it. A subscriber requested this, so here you go. Alright, so first thing you wanna do is all you gotta do is go over here. I know my stuff is dusty, but just hold down the power button. You hear one beep, so you hear two beeps, and you want to let go. So now your PS3 is gonna turn on. I'll wait for it to turn on, and it should look like this. So I'm gonna turn on my controller here. Just want to press X, and boom. As you can see, now your HDMI cable is back to normal and your PS3 will turn on.